The latest stat that's going to make you cry is this. Did you know 70% of your past customers, statistically, within 13 months of closing, will completely forget your name? Now, you might think you're building a great relationship with your people because you're working so hard for them and you go out of your way for them. But within 13 months, almost 3/4 of your customers will forget your name, let alone all the other stuff you did for them. So you can see why the retention rate in the mortgage industry is abysmal. Most loan officers I talk to, almost none of them engage in any sort of email marketing. And when I say marketing, relationship building. In previous videos, I showed you some of the tools that we use to ensure that we are staying in touch with our past customers through email. And today what I'm going to do is I'm going to have you look over my shoulder as I build an email newsletter from scratch. So this is like the most complicated version of email possible, but using AI and using our white label high level Renegade AI platform, it takes literally just a few minutes. Let me show you how it starts. So here I am inside of Renegade AI. This is our automation. This automation guarantees that an email goes out to our past clients when? Thursday and Saturday. Now, by the way, I say past clients, but every single person that has an email that has come in from the customer side. You could duplicate this, by the way, for your referral partners and send separate emails to your referral partners. Segment your list. But this is everybody, the past clients, the SOI, all that kind of stuff. All right? The question is now, I got this framework that's going to send the email. What am I actually going to send? What do I want it to look like? I'm going to show you a couple of ways we can do that. Okay? This shows what email is being sent. I can just type an email. Hey there. Here, oops. Here, oh my goodness. Here's an email. I know when people are watching, you can't type, right? You change the subject, hit save, and guess what? That's the email that they're going to get. But what I want to show you is our existing template, okay? So let's see here. The Thursday email, that's what's going out, right? Okay. So we're going to turn on the sync. Everything but the kitchen sink. All right, so it's going to send an email template. We want to make this look nice, right? Now, you don't have to make it look nice, but I'm just showing you what you can do. Then I come over here to our templates under email marketing, and here it is, the Thursday template. And on the left, it looks oh so complicated because it's created an HTML email. And you think to yourself, gosh, I should just do this drag and drop thing, right? That takes so long. The drag and drop, and then it always looks stupid. So watch this. I go over to one of my favorite AIs. Actually, this is Gemini. I'm sure Claude would be better at this. But I have Claude just write me everything. I've got a little template that it goes off of. So this one's on reverse mortgage, and this is one we've already done. But I'm going to repurpose it. Because guess what? Repurposing emails is awesome. I'm going to say, okay, write this email again. Keep the voice friendly and neighborly. Oh, and use this image URL for the image. You can put an image in there if you want. So let's see. I went over here. Let's just pick a nice one that's. Everybody likes the American flag, so we'll click on it. I hit copy the image link. That's all you have to do. You don't need anything else. You just need the URL. Boom. Now hit go. And now we play the waiting game, like Homer used to say. But it's going through the copy. And while it's doing that, what I'm going to show you over here, Renegade AI does let you, of course, do drag and drop, build out your emails. I'm telling you, they take so much time. And also, they work, but you get a lot of code sometimes in the background that just makes them thick. So these are really clean. Okay, check it out. So here is the HTML. Granted, I have no idea what it's going to look like. I have no idea. So I just copy it. I come over here, onto my left column. I delete everything in there, and look at that. And I can go through it and make sure it looks good. It's got all my crap at the bottom of it. And you know what? I'm going to save that template. Good. Come back over here. Let's check out our automation. And, yep, there it is. Look at that. Email. I hit save and then save. Actually, I'm going to show you a little hint. Always do a couple of things. Send yourself a test email. Right? Because there's always something. Every time, by the way, every time I get cocky and don't send that email or the test email, something always goes awry. Oh, for example, I'm missing a subject line. So I always have AI give me an idea of a subject line. And these are okay. If you don't like them, just do another one. Give me 2 more friendly subject lines. Let's see what it comes up with here. Again, this is just Gemini. I think Chat and Claude probably do a lot better at this. But just a little bit of background on this, by the way. Oh, I like that one. Perfect. That'll be great. All right. I make sure that subject line's in there. Boom. Save it. Save it. There you go. So that's really it. And now, guess what? That email is going to go out on Thursday. It's going to look exactly like that. It's got all of the stuff. I've told AI what to include, what to make it look like, so it generates the same thing every time. And all of a sudden, I've got this nice looking email that gets sent on Thursday, and then I can have it do another one on Saturday. But it literally takes, how long have we been recording this video? Just a few minutes. And I did it all basically from scratch. So the great thing is, if you have an assistant, you have all this in place, let them do it. If you're not sure what to talk about, ask AI. A lot of times we'll do personal ones. Our 3rd oldest son just grew up and left. And so we did a couple emails about that, the personal stuff. This is all about having conversations, building relationships, providing value. Okay? I always want to have some referral dialogue in there, which is, hey, if this helps you or someone you know or a loved one, then shoot me their information. I'll follow up with them. Or forward this on to someone you think it would help. Okay? In the Renegade Academy, not only do we give you Renegade AI, so you've got the software, we walk through classroom steps on how to use each one of these features that we highlight with fellow class members. So at the end of the semester, you are a kick-butt marketer. You are Renegade. All right? So jump on over to gorenegades.com. Check out our cool free stuff and sign up for the next semester. Can't wait to see you in class.